Hello Stamper, welcome to Frenchie's video. I'm France Martin, independent demonstrator with Stamping Up at FrenchieStamps.com in the United States. Today I'm going to share a fun project. It's a notepad holder. This one is just a notepad, was 4x6. I got a big paper trimmer, so I trim it. And then I find post-it note that are 4x4. So really that's what you would want. Post-it note 4x4. I didn't glue this one, and I think I should glue it in the back. So 4x4, and this lovely doodad here, it is a pen. I'm gonna have the link of all the measurement on my blog. Also the link of where I get the pen. I got it on Amazon. I'm gonna have the link there. I was inspired by that by Sheila. At the retreat, she gave us all a little lipstick holder like this. So I wanted to do one, because it's a pen, I wanted to do one with a notepad holder. So let's get going here. See, and it holds so tight. So I decided that was perfect, the mirror in the front, right? The pens come in different color, and you get different brand too. This one, it was a 12-pack, purple, pink, and red. You got some in the blue, green, whatever. So you're going to start with a piece of paper. This one I'm using Highland Heather. In our designer series paper, it's Best Dress, and the one we're going to use with that, this is Best Dress, and this one was See a Silhouette. And so we're going to score this at 4 1/4. So you're going to, on the long way, you're going to score at 4 1/4. You're going to score at 5 7/8. I'm sorry, 4 7/8, 4 7/8, and then at 5 1/2. All measurement will be on my blog, so write the link below. Now the center score, we're going to fold that right there. Bring that to your paper cutter. Go at 1 1/2. You're going to cut to your to the score line there. If you're afraid, you can make a mark with a pen and cut it with scissors. I just bring it there and cut there. Now let me show you something on the paper cutter. This line here, that's where the blade is. So I just go follow when this line align with my score. So now when you get these done, you're gonna take, and it look weird. It look like it's not matching. Well, it will match. Each end gonna go in, and in, and then fold back, and then back. Now, voila. See, it is the perfect match here. Now, in the one that I did, I put 1 1/2. I think we're just going to put one post-it note. They come, I bought a pack of 4. I'm sure we can find color one. I didn't go at the store. I just ordered it online, and I went quick. So now I got a piece that it's 4x4. Yeah, 4x4. We're going to glue this on our, we're going to decorate it first, okay? We're going to glue that right here. And again, this is Best Dress Designer Series paper. And for the mirror, and I will have all measurement. This is the foil, and I will have the measurement of the dies. So we're going to glue that right here. Oh. And we're going to glue it a little bit more to the right, because I want to put a ribbon there, okay? Make sure that it's secure. Some people say every time I cut my foil, I get all the lines of my plate of my machine. What you want to do is just use a very light post-it note, put it on top of your foil, then cut it out. You will not have no lines. Now I use, you can see this here for my frame. I use one size smaller. See, the small one that I did my nest with, this is going to be part of the frame. The middle one it's the foil, silver foil, and then my scallop. Why this need to be the middle one? Because you want to have cover it good. You don't want to see half of the mirror popping out, right? So now I'm just using liquid glue. Liquid glue seems to be the best glue for this project. Now we're going to put that right here. I get some glue that ooze there. If that happens when if glue on the foil, don't use a glue eraser, or what I like to do is just use plain water on a rag and wipe it off. Et voila. Much better than doing the eraser. Now I'm using the polka dot tool here, ribbon tool, and we're just going to tie that up. Nothing fancy, just a quick tie up. The other one I used the petal pink metallic edge, and I did a bow. This one I like to just do a knot. And just let it slide down a bit here. And I'm going to cut some of the tail of this. Maybe, maybe not, right? Here we go. So now I get my little tail. Okay, to finish this, you're going to take your glue again. And you just want to put at each end. Nothing in the center. Very, very, very important. That... well, my glue's almost out here. That you don't want to put nothing in the middle. That is where we're going to slide our pen. That's what makes the pen older. This project, it's very quick and simple. Very little to cut. Very little to, let me think, cut and then measure. So you can go from the bottom if you want. It's very snug, okay? So this would work. See, I want it snug because I don't want the pen to fall. The first time, be careful if you go from the top. You're going to have to push it there because the bottom, it's a little bit bigger. Oh, this one, it's a little bit more stubborn here. It's a little bit bigger than the top, right? Because you can see... and you get it in the red too. So you can see the bottom, it's bigger than here. So if you go from the top, just be careful the first time, and then it go very lovely. Now I'm going to use just one, because this was 4 pack of of Post-it note. I'm going to put some fast fuse in the back of this, or you can use tear and tape or the glue too. And we're going to put that right there. Yeah, just 1 pack. Even you get the distance, or you can always, if you feel generous, you can add, no, not half a pack, maybe a quarter. You don't want to pass your score line, and add another one on top of that. See? Either way, it's good. So here it is. This here, I want it stuck a little bit more. Not so, here we go. So now you get these one, and I could come up with one with the red, and so on. So this is it. I think that would make a very lovely gift for many, many people. Mother's Day. Everybody need a pen and a notepad or a Post-it note, right? So that is it, my friend, for this project. Hope you enjoy it. It's so simple, and all the supplies will be listed on my blog, and the measurement, and also where to get the pen. Have a lovely day. Till next time. Happy stamping, my friend. Bye-bye for now. Oh, inside, I forget to stamp. I put, oops, this one won't. I put Hello Fabulous, and that's from the Best Dressed stamp set. That is it, my friend. Bye-bye for now.